Hey guys, how you doing? I told you we're going to continue talking about that wire that we repaired, and I did mention the tools in the wiring diagrams on the bottom of the bracket list. That's how we found out the location of where that. Here it is, right here. The location of where that bracket is. You know, that stanchion bracket, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to explain this on the airplane in a little bit more. The butt line, the water line, and whatnot. But anyway, there's other tools that are on the bottom of that list. The wire list, for example, it'll give you in the bundle number, which is, you know, the first number. If you go over here, see the first number, 4515. You know, the wire list gives you the length of the wire. See, length in foot and inches, and where it goes from and to. I highlighted the one in question, the one that was damaged. Here it is, and you can see it's 93 feet long. Now, 93 feet is a long time. You say, well, how do you find the shorted wire? Where is it at? There's a thing called a TDR, time domain reflectometer. I've used it a handful of times in my career because most of the time the problem is located when you isolate. You have to disconnect the connectors, as I told you, to isolate the sections, right? Usually when you're doing that, you're going to see damage, and you're going to see, you know, the meter jump, and you say, oh, look, here's where it's shorted. Well, that's what happened in this case. When we went to the engine area on the top, that disconnect on the wing, 93 feet from the one that you saw on the floor, it was moving, the resistance was moving, and you no longer had a short. So it was in that conduit. We decided to use a spare wire. You know, obviously, this is a forward extraction. One side was forward extraction, the other one was rear extraction. We're going to get more into that in the future. This connector here is a hard shell, a cylindrical connector. And the one out there in the engine area was this type of shell. All right.